Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Whitney Green Bennett. I'm a professional hair and makeup artist that brings you weekly tips. I mean weekly tips that are simple and easy. Gotta be simple, gotta be easy, gotta be quick, because if you don't know, I have a 9-month-old that takes up pretty much of my time. But anywho, let's see what we're learning today. If you can't already tell, I don't have any makeup on, so we must be learning something about makeup, right? Yes, it is definitely about makeup. And let me give you another hint. Eyebrows. That's right, we will be learning about eyebrows. But you actually won't be learning on how to fill in the eyebrows. You will be learning on how to hide these little guys. You see them? So, if you don't have time to get to your eyebrow person to take care of those friends, I'm going to show you a special technique that you should stay tuned and pay attention to. So before I leave, I'm going to go ahead and tell you what I do. Normally, I would do my foundation, which I've already showed you in the video before. So if you haven't watched that, make sure you watch that. And then after I do my foundation, I go ahead and I do my eyebrows, and then I do my concealer. So I'm just going to go off camera and I'll be right back to show you that eyebrow technique. Okay? Make sure you like down below and you subscribe to my channel.
Let's get focused.
Alright guys, so don't judge me. I know I look absolutely crazy, but I needed to stop doing what I'm doing so I can show you what the next step is. I have on my foundation, I have on my concealer, and now I'm going to apply my eyebrows. Like I said before, I'll go into another tutorial on how I do my eyebrows because I like a very strong, serious eyebrow. But for right now, I'm just teaching you the technique on how to hide your little friends, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows, and then I'll be right back with you, okay? Ooh, wait! Look at that brow, and it's not even defined yet. Yes, brow, I see you. Alright guys, I don't know if you can still see them, but they're definitely there. You want to take your concealer, and then you want to take your angled brush, and you want to apply the concealer by taking and drawing the shape that you like under your eyebrow. I suggest you guys start back here first, draw this line first, and then draw that line. Should definitely start right here. Draw your line first here. Oops, took off some of my eyebrow. And then come here to draw. So instead of coming down with your concealer, you want to actually go the opposite way. Like that. And this will actually hide all your little friends. And then you just want to pull this down like so, and voila, you do not have any more little friends. They're all hidden. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eyebrow, and then I'll be back to show you the end result. Just like that, your little friends are hidden. See, all gone. Yay! That was super simple, super quick. Probably took what? Only 3 minutes? So let me give you another tip. Make sure when you guys are using your concealer that you're actually doing a little lighter than your natural skin tone. Don't go super light because it looks crazy. You look crazy. Just a little lighter is perfectly fine. If you don't want to have your eyebrow as bold, just use your normal skin tone. That's perfectly fine. It will do the same thing. Let's go ahead and do a recap. You want to go ahead and apply your foundation, apply your concealer. Then you would do your eyebrow, the shape that you would want. Take your concealer and apply the concealer under your eyebrow, but make sure you're brushing it on the opposite way that your hair grows in. And then put your setting powder and then your setting spray on top, and boom, you are all done. Hopefully that helps. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and you subscribe down to my channel if you have not, and make sure you share too. Please share, tell all your friends about me. All right guys, until next time, peace.